Before replacing a thermostat, verify that the problem is not with wiring, power, or system configuration so you avoid unnecessary replacement costs. Start by confirming power to the thermostat by turning off the system at the breaker, removing the thermostat cover, and checking that the device shows power when the breaker is restored. If the thermostat is battery-powered, replace the batteries and verify the display and settings persist through a restart. Measure control voltage at the furnace or air handler control board with a multimeter set to the appropriate range. Look for the expected 24-volt alternating current between common and the power terminal to ensure the system is supplying thermostat power. If the system uses a heat pump or multi-stage equipment, use jumpers to manually call for heat, cool, fan, or emergency heat at the control board and watch whether the equipment responds correctly to individual calls, so you can isolate whether the thermostat is failing to signal or the equipment is not responding. If accessible, temporarily bypass the thermostat by applying a jumper across the appropriate terminals at the thermostat base to simulate a call and verify the system cycles. This proves the wiring and equipment work independent of the thermostat. Only proceed to replace the thermostat after these steps. Confirm the thermostat is not supplying correct signals and control board voltages, and wiring continuity check out. Common mistakes are assuming a blank display means a bad thermostat, which often is only a power or blown fuse issue. So check the transformer fuse and measure voltage at the control board first. Another frequent issue is misdiagnosing wiring problems for thermostat failure. Use a continuity tester and label terminals before disconnecting and reconnecting so you do not swap wires or misassign functions. A third concern is replacing a thermostat without checking system configuration for heat pump, multi-stage, or common wire needs. Review equipment type and terminal functions and use a common wire adapter or run a proper common conductor if the new thermostat requires it. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors by connecting project needs to professionals and letting users read and post about real experiences. We also help contractors find work and grow their customer base. And we host a discussion community where we and our members share troubleshooting tips and project advice.